Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about car problems. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between Sarah and Charlie when their car won't start. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I have the keys.
Good. We don't want to be late.
The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
Right. It's 9:15 now.
We have enough time.
Let's go to the car.
I'll drive today.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Let me start the car.
I'll put on my seatbelt.
Here we go.
Is everything okay?
I'm turning the key now.
Good.
That's strange.
What's wrong?
The car is not starting.
Really? Try again.
I'm trying again.
What's happening?
Nothing. No sound at all.
That's not good.
Let me try one more time.
Okay, but be careful.
Still nothing.
Oh no. What do we do now?
I don't know.
This is a problem.
Let's look at the engine.
Do you know about cars?
A little bit. Not much.
What do you see?
Everything looks normal.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Maybe it's the battery.
Could be. I'm not sure.
This is difficult. What about the gas?
We have gas. I checked yesterday.
Okay, what else?
Maybe the battery is dead.
How can we check that?
I don't have the right tools.
We need help.
Yes, you're right.
Who can we call?
Let me think. I can't fix it.
That's okay. You tried.
We need a mechanic.
Or roadside assistance.
Do we have that service?
I think so. Let me check.
Good idea.
I have the phone number.
Perfect. Call them.
I will right now. Hello? Yes, we need help.
Tell them our address.
We live on Oak Street.
Number 42.
Yes, 42 Oak Street.
What did they say?
They're asking about the problem.
Tell them the car won't start.
Our car won't start at all.
No sound from the engine.
Okay, I understand.
What are they saying?
They can send someone.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
No, it's good.
What should we do now?
We wait here.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Are they coming?
Yes, they are.
Great. When exactly?
Before 10 o'clock.
Perfect timing.
We might still make the meeting.
I hope so.
Let's wait inside the house.
Good idea. I can see the car from here.
Me too. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. That sounds nice.
I made a fresh pot.
Thank you.
What time is it now?
9:35.
They should be here soon.
I hope they find the problem.
Me too. What do you think is wrong?
Maybe the battery is old.
How old is it?
About 3 years, I think.
That's not very old.
No, but sometimes they die early.
Or maybe it's something else.
Could be the starter motor.
I don't know about car parts.
Neither do I, really. I hope it's not expensive.
Don't worry about that now.
Car repairs cost a lot of money.
We'll figure it out.
You're right.
Maybe it's something simple.
I hope so.
Let's think positive.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Look, someone is here.
Finally! Is that the mechanic?
Yes, I think so.
Great timing.
It's 9:50.
Perfect. Let's go outside.
I'll get my keys.
I'll meet you out there.
Okay, see you in a minute.
This is good news. Good morning. Are you here for us?
We called about our car.
It won't start at all.
We tried many times.
No sound from the engine.
We checked the gas.
And looked under the hood.
But we don't know much about cars.
Can you help us?
We really need to get to work. What do you think the problem is?
He's checking everything.
He looks like he knows what he's doing.
Yes, he does.
How long will this take?
I don't know. Let's wait.
I'm getting nervous.
Don't worry, he'll fix it.
I hope you're right.
Me too. Did you find the problem?
What was wrong with our car?
Is it something serious?
Can you fix it here?
How much will it cost?
Do we need a new battery?
Or is it something else?
We're worried about the price.
But we need the car to work.
Please tell us what you found. Really? Just loose cables?
That's not expensive at all.
What a relief.
So you fixed it already?
Can we try starting it now?
This is great news.
Much better than we expected.
Thank you so much for your help.
You saved our day.
Now we can go to our meeting. Let me try starting it now.
I'm crossing my fingers.
Here we go.
It started. It's working.
Perfect. The engine sounds good.
What a happy ending.
We can still make our meeting.
Yes, we're not too late.
Thank you again for everything.
Have a wonderful day.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. By practicing English like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. What would you do if your car won't start? Tell me in the comments below. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you next time. Bye.